Welcome back, and hopefully you're ready to learn a little bit more. As I say, these first few lessons are just building on the foundation content, and for some people it might be very, very easy, while for others they may be struggling a little bit. So please forgive me if this seems too slow for you. Feel free to move on to the next chapter, and for those that need more help, please feel free to contact me through the forums, email, any of my social media, or through my website at Coding Academy. Now, I did say that we were going to take care of these errors on this page, and me being a little bit OCD about these things, I don't like errors on my scripts. I like to go through them and fix them straight away. So it's been bugging me the whole couple of videos watching that little red number 3. So I want to take care of that and fix it. And the way we're going to fix it is I want you to put your knowledge or understanding of data types into this particular page here. And all I want you to do is to add some comments. Now, comments in PHP are very easy to add. And I'm going to add a comment to line 3 here, and the way I add a comment is 2 forward slashes. Now, on my keyboard, that's next to the question mark. Yours might be a little bit different. So this data type here, this variable, is an integer. So I'll just write integer on that one and go down to the second one, 2 forward slashes. This is a double, or some people call it a floating point number. So all I want you to do is to go through the rest, adding your comments. Now on line 17, things are a little bit different. If I put my 2 forward slashes here and say something like variable names cannot start with a number, hopefully you've remembered that, I still have that error. So what I need to do is remove the comment from the end of the line and just start the comment at the start of the line. So 2 forward slashes here. That has commented out the whole line. It's all green. And if you notice, we're now down to 1 error. And the 1 error is down here. So hopefully you know how to take care of that. The other thing I just want to point out is we have this extra line here. I just want you to tidy that up and don't have any extra lines at the end of your PHP code. So what I'm going to ask you to do here is just probably pause the video, go to your file and add your comments, and then replay, and I'll go through and I'll tell you what you should have. Okay, well, welcome back. Hopefully you got those all correct. This first one here at line 7, that is a string value. On line 9, we have a Boolean, so that means true or false. Line 11, that's also a string, as is line 13, also a string, and line 15, also a string. Line 19, that's a string. And then hopefully you remembered, we cannot use this variable name this. So I'm going to comment out the whole thing and then just say something like cannot use variable name this. Now what you also might want to do is just put a little bit of explanation about some of these things. For instance, this is camel case. Maybe you want to say something about giving some really valid or something that really describes what the variable name is. As I said, I've gone back to scripts years later and I'm thinking, what is this variable doing? So it's good to comment and give variables good meaningful names. You can start with a capital letter if you wish. You can have underscores. And if you recall, I said it's probably not recommended to do this, where you have an underscore at the start of the variable name, because these are assigned to global variables, not $_name, but some other global variables. We'll come across some in the future, one of which is using sessions and cookies, where we have $_session. The last thing I want to point out is, well, we've just dealt with single lines. What if we had multiple lines that we wanted to comment out? Well, we can use a different way of doing this. So I'm just going to make some space at the top of this file here. And let's say I want to add multiple lines of comments. I can start with a forward slash and then the asterisk, little star. And if you notice, everything is turned green. So I've just commented everything on the screen there. Well, let's say I wanted to add comments here. This is all about comments. So I've got multiple lines there, and then to finish it off, I do the reverse. So I go star and then forward slash. And there you can see the code is back to normal. So I'll leave it at that for this video. I'm happy. I've got rid of the errors, and hopefully you are happy too. If you found this video useful, then remember to give me a quick thumbs up. And if you would like to be notified when I release new videos, then hit that subscribe button and remember to click on the little notification bell.